Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So join me. Let's make this quick kelewele recipe as starter or side dish. So let's go. So I have my beautifully ripe plantain here. So I'll neatly peel them and then cut them into kelewele shape or biteable shape, but I will be using my crinkle cutter. Yes, so be careful you don't hurt yourself with it. It can be very sharp. So now I cut my ripe plantains into this size. You can choose to cut it any size of your choice, but this recipe is a quick one. In fact, I call it lazy kelewele recipe. Casting crowns, lifting hands, bowing hearts, it's all we've come to do. Adonai, 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 you reign on high. So I just love the shape or the design the crinkle cutter gives. So I bet you please try your kelewele with the crinkle cutter. But if you don't have it, kindly use your knife, please. Alright, so our plantains are beautifully ready. So I add some salt to taste and then my already mixed Kelewele spice. So I'll list the combination in the description box. And then I add some chili pepper. Like I said, this is a lazy Kelewele recipe. And then I add some seasoning and then I stir for it to incorporate into the plantain. So I have preheated my wok or my skillet. So I add some oil, and with this I am using coconut oil. So you can see I just add my kelewele or my plantain. So kelewele is a snack, street snack here in Ghana. In fact, at every corner of the streets, you get some real kelewele being sold. But trust me, you can also make your own kelewele at home. Just follow this recipe. In fact, this is the quickest you can make. So at this point, you can see our kelewele is ready. Yes, so I'll just take it and then on my paper towel, I'll just spread it for it to cool down, and then here we are. I just sprinkle some peanut or granules on it and I am good to go. So this is a quick snack. Sometimes it can be served as a side dish or lunch. So you can see I have complemented it with some beautiful jollof rice and some chicken. So why don't you try this and you'll be glad you did. Thank you. God bless you.